Alright, so today I'll be showing you guys how to find the specs of your PC on your Windows 11 computer. Now, the specs of the PC, these are things that people oftentimes ask for. Maybe you have a computer and someone asks you about it. Maybe you want to go and download a video game or purchase a video game or some sort of program, and you want to make sure that your PC, your computer, is completely compatible and you have the right specifications of your computer that align with whatever it is you're doing. So if you want to find your specs, this is how you do it. Basically, you have to get your Windows bar down here. You're going to want to search and go to settings. We're going to go directly into settings, and from there you're going to see your home and then system. We're going to want to go and click on system. Once we click system, we're going to get an array of different things that we can select, and you'd likely want to go through all of these. However, it is super simple and right at the bottom. You just scroll all the way down and you will find the About section where it says Device Specifications, Rename PC, and Windows Specifications. We're going to want to click that, and then we'll see everything about our PC that we can utilize or basically discover and then actually understand for whatever it is that we're trying to do. So we see here we get the processor. It tells us the exact processor of our PC, the amount of installed RAM, the graphics card, and the storage available. Well, the total storage and then how much of it we've already used. Then it goes down and we get all of the other device info and stuff that we might need. So for instance, it gives us the system type, a 64-bit operating system. That's important if you're downloading a video game. Sometimes it asks you for 32-bit or 64-bit. Now we know that we're dealing with 64-bit. It tells us the exact graphics card, which will basically tell us which video games or programs we can utilize with that. And then it goes down and we have all of the Windows 11 specifications as well, which if we needed them, you can go ahead and copy, as well as here, copy, and you can paste it elsewhere in the case that maybe you were trying to sell your PC or you were trying to tell someone about your specific specifications so that you know this is exactly what you're dealing with. So once again, I'll show you guys really quick. It's just through here, and you can even you could just type in about if you want it to be a lot quicker. Typically, you could just do that. Go into the little search bar below and type about your PC. The key is just you want it to be in the system settings. You don't need to go directly through settings. This is the fastest way. And you'll see, once again, it brings us right to this page and we can get all of the information about our specific computer. So that's about it. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe and have a nice day.